Here's what nobody tells you about AI. It can completely transform how you work each day. Just 2 tools could give you hours back every single week. ChatGPT vs Claude, the clear winners. When I tested over 100 AI tools in 26, these 2 stood head and shoulders above the rest for beginners. ChatGPT and Claude both have powerful language skills that can carry on human-like conversations. But they are different under the hood. ChatGPT is trained on massive text datasets to be a writing powerhouse. Claude uses constitutional AI, so it's easier to steer and less surprising. So which is better? The numbers say ChatGPT writes longer, more coherent responses, but Claude keeps context better in back-and-forth chats. Either way, they're both top-tier choices for beginners diving into AI language models. Easy interfaces and free access don't hurt either. And the result? You could save hours a week just by using these 2 tools, every single week. So, you want to dip your toes into the world of AI without breaking the bank. Both ChatGPT and Claude have got your back. Of course, their free tiers are more like a gentle swim in a kiddie pool compared to the Olympic-sized pool of premium features. But hey, you're not here for a gold medal. Yet. Now, both these tools also come with APIs for developers. That's right, you can take their AI smarts and put them to work in your own projects. Talk about leveling up. Getting started is simple, just dive in. Don't let the overwhelm wave crash over your head. Pick one, either ChatGPT or Claude, and start chatting away. Ask them questions, give them tasks, see what they're made of. And don't worry if you're not exactly sure what you want yet. These tools are like a forgiving mentor, always ready to guide you along. The key is just getting started. Experiment with different prompts and phrasings. Observe the results and let your intuition grow. Before you know it, you'll be an AI aficionado. Those are my thoughts on the best beginner AI tools for 2026. But this is just the beginning. Stick around as we dive deeper into more advanced tools once you've built a foundation. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And if you have any other favorite beginner AI tools, let me know in the comments. So, you're experimenting with AI tools, huh? Good for you. But here's the thing, have you tried ChatGPT yet? Most people haven't even heard of it. It blows Claude away in every category I've tested. Seriously. And the result? It works flawlessly every time. Here's what nobody tells you. It's completely free to use. You don't need a credit card or anything. So go ahead and sign up right now. See for yourself how much easier your life gets with ChatGPT in your toolbox. You won't regret it, I promise.